How to use Wendy's gift card on app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Vesnad, and today I'll guide you on how you can use the Wendy's gift card on the application. Now, first things first, if you want to do it on browser, it's simple. You can simply head into wendys.com and there you can head into the redeem gift card option and redeem it. If you are on the application, now I'll just be guiding you through, so stay tuned and listen it carefully. First step is you can open up the mobile application and then you want to head into the my account option in the menu bar at the bottom of your screen. So once you do so, you'll get the option that says add gift card under my account. So you want to tap on add gift card. After that, you can enter in your gift card number. It'll be printed on the back of your card. Then enter the last 4 digits of its pin, then tap next and you're good to go. So this way you can use Wendy's gift card on app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.